And we're back to learning HTML Canvas. Let me show you how you can use the GASS principle to draw in your canvas on a mouse click. We'll start with our canvas, and now we want to create our function here that allows us to draw. We'll start by using the canvas, so that's the variable that stores our myCanvas. Add an event listener. Click is the keyword that we need, and a certain event is used here as a parameter. And inside of this function we'll have to put our code, and we basically do the same that we did last time. But last time we've used the mouse move and not the click. Once again, for X, it's the left of our rectangle here of our canvas. And for the Y position, it's the top. So Y goes from top to bottom and X goes from left to right. Therefore, we need these positions, left and top. And now it's just about styling our circle that's going to be created on click. Let me just define a radius, maybe 20. And then we'll add the style. We'll begin our path. We need our arc, x, y, radius, I've set it to 20 here. 0 to 2 times math p to have a closed circle. CTX fill style, I'll make it, let's say blue. I'm going to close the path, and obviously I have to use the fill so that it's visible. And you can see it works now. I can change the radius right here, it's going to get smaller. Change the color to red. And you can replace all of these circle styles. Let me just copy paste the radius, it's better suited right here. And you can delete this and, for example, add a rectangle, add a path, whatever you want to add here.